sense of humor, you never get through life, right?
Exactly. I am so happy that we're at Hawkins class.
Yeah.
That's such a good energy. Look, they're still chasing him. They're ganging up on him over there.
Oh my gosh.
The crows are actually knocking the red-tailed hawk out of the sky and pecking to death on the ground.
Wow, look at that. They must have some nests around here that he's looking for.
That's like Star Wars.
Yeah, it is. You're right.
I tell my kids, look at nature. You can learn about yourself.
Yep.
Watch the animals, like the videoed head.
What is it?
Videoed head.
Videoed head. What's that?
That's when you get a bunch of older women that work in an office or always pecking back and forth.
Okay.
Watch the hens. All right. Hey, Chico.
Look at the lobster man. Look, Joe.
Rock lobster.
I tell people when I'm coming out here and I have this on, I said I'm out here baking like a lobster.
Oh my gosh.
They're gonna start taking selfies.
Yeah, very cute. Adorable.
Soulmates.
Adorable.
I think it's funny when the elderly act like that.
Yeah.
Because they're full of life.
Yeah. You gotta make fun of yourself. I told her.
That picture while they're still young. They're still beating up on them.
The lobster and the witch. Yeah.
Goes on in Saratoga.
Hello there. Did you ever hear this topic before?
No, ma'am.
You can take this home with you and look at it. It's 10 things on there. But I can answer your questions if you think of one. Oh. I thought I heard this. Put that over there and that on top. Then it doesn't blow away. $11:30.
Oh, okay. Gotta go. I have nothing to do. Yep, I got everything. My daughter's at home. Well, I'm still in the bag. Exactly. I don't want people to feel my
Hi there.
Hi.
Did you ever hear this topic? I can give you something that you can take along. There's 10 things on here that you can think about.
Okay.
Good dinner conversation.
Thank you.
Hi, did you ever hear this topic before?
But I'm not interested in it.
There's a brochure you can take along and look at the things.
Okay, I don't believe in it.
Well, you never looked at it though.
Yeah, I have. I haven't read it yet.
Okay, that's all right.
Yeah. He's not here today because he's
Traffic up there. Traffic. I'm really serious thinking of how to go. Somebody would listen to me. Yes. I don't because I'm doing my eyes. Exactly. Well, I go in. He has 2 minutes. I don't think he needs it. Well, listen.
When I hear a car, they come one side or the other, then I get up. And I can hardly see. $11:44. Okay.
This is sweetgrass jam.
Oh,
When you
aren't
open
you
it,
sweet?
when you open it, refrigerate it.
Okay. Thank you, sweetheart.
Secret eating.
Okay.
I don't know how to make it. I never eat it. But it's organic. No. I think it's it. Don't take it. Take it there. Usually one is protected. Not me. I just do it. And I plant it. That's for bringing you down. But did you see the red tail hawk that came flying over?
I saw it, but I didn't know what it
It was
was.
his dad. Flew over.
I can't tell what that is.
You look up the belly plate. And then the tail fan. And it's red. Not I hope that up and ask about the ladies' name is what you can do is call her up and get on her list for future and you can do that. I know people don't hold you there. But I come out of that. That's when I was at Elbows.
I didn't know it.
Number?
It's in front of the Jeep.
Oh, that's right, that's right.
But someone does ask so learning passively from my own fire company to do the advertising.
Hi, did you ever hear this before? Did you ever hear about this before?
No.
No? Well, there's a lot of scientific evidence that's pointing to our government telling us lies.
Oh,
There's
really?
there's 10 things in here that you can look at. But this is like the flat Earth map that we're using. The North Pole's in the center. Antarctica goes all the way around the outside edge.
Yeah.
And look, these world organizations use the flat Earth map. But they leave off Antarctica. They don't want you to know that it goes around. And see, how it is. It's like an edge, and it holds in the oceans.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they're lying to us. They want us to think that it's a spinning ball,
Yeah.
and it's not. It's something that was created. It's like a terrarium, and there's all sorts of electromagnetic things that go along with this, with the flat Earth, you know. So actually, there's like free-flowing electricity up in the atmosphere. Did you ever hear of that before?
Yes.
Yeah, and we should be collecting that, and I think the government does, but then charges us for it.
Sure.
And then here, like this is Chicago, across 60 miles of Lake Michigan. But if there really was a curve,
Yeah.
that would be down below the curve, like 2,400 feet over 60 miles, according to a formula based on their globe. Okay? So it's flat. There is no curve. We can't find it anywhere. Look, if it's on the reflection on a flat surface, look, it goes right on the table. You get the line. But if it was a curved surface, you'd get just a little spot. And you can do that experiment at home with glossy paper and a light bulb. You can check that out. So here's perspective. This is why we think things go over the curve, because of perspective. You know, these railroad tracks, they continue, but they go to a point, the vanishing point. Well, if there's only two planes, the sky and the sea, you get the vanishing line. And that's why you think a ship goes over the curve, because it just vanishes into the line. But we have zoom cameras now. You can zoom in on it and bring them right back into focus. So they don't go over a curve. In other words, that's the thing. There's no curve. NASA, they put out, we have videos when they do a spacewalk where there's a little bubble that goes up their helmet. How does that happen in outer space? That doesn't happen. It only happens in a pool. They are lying to us. It's just ridiculous how much they lie to us. This is on their website. Same diameter, but look, this is the United States here. Here's the United States here. Which one's true? None, because it's all computer generated. It's not a real picture. They just make them on the computers, and that's Hollywood. It's all Hollywood stuff. The moon landing was Hollywood too. So if you look at those 10 things, you can do that, and then on the front there's a website. Yeah, there's a website. It has more. So it's good, something good to think about. Talk with your buddies and chew on
I was on
it.
a submarine for 10 years. I went around and around.
Yeah, but
never
wait a
came to
minute.
the end.
How about your sonar? How far does that go?
It all depends on what type we're talking about. We had underwater sonar and we had navigational sonar.
Yeah.
Pretty far, yeah.
So it has to be able to be, it doesn't, you can't bounce it off anything. I mean, it's like,
Yeah, infinite. Yeah,
Yeah,
if
yeah.
you run out of range, the
Yeah.
sonar won't go anywhere.
yeah, but see now, like I said here, this would be 2,400 feet over 60 miles. How long did your sonar go? Maybe 20 miles or
Maybe,
so?
at the most.
Well, the curvature formula is 8 inches times a mile squared. That's the curvature for a 24,901 equator. So see if that would work. I don't know what 20 miles would be right in my head.
Yeah.
20 times 8. And that's inches divided by 12, which is feet.
I have to read over this.
Yeah, good.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's all worth it for that kind of stuff. It's worth it. It's worth it. I almost didn't get up.
get the snow with them. They were not one inch stuff. Look, you can live up in the area, up in the 7th area. Go to bed, you get something to snow. Hot dogs, you know, we're not. Now, I think I just a bucket. You make them open. Oh.
There it goes. Got a little suction out. Mm. Now I'm going to see if my ears ring.
Yeah, yeah. But so-and-so, he said, she said. I don't care what he said, she said. I said. There's too much that out there. With that technology, and they use everybody be sneaky. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sneaky. You know, and if I get I'm talking. And you want me to get a limited sneaky for a modern day problem? I'll do a snatch after that. I'm talking to you. You pick up and stuff. I don't go back. They were little. And I had to run it. I was they would say, we want you to. I don't know. No, I don't ask. As a parent, you don't ask questions if you're already right, answers. You know, well, this is what like all so when you have to get to have a
Oh, there, did you ever hear this topic before?
You're at this flat?
Yeah, there's 10 things on here you can look at home and decide for yourself. It'll make you think, though.
Well, I know the Earth is flat.
You know that?
Knew that.
Well,
Did you know that?
I only found out 2 years ago.
There you have it.
Well, you're smarter than me.
Well, just read it. What's it say? The Earth is flat. What's
Well,
the word for it?
yeah, but there's science behind it. That's what I'm showing you on that pamphlet.
Ah. I
Yeah.
knew it had to be
And the
something.
government is lying. You know, they'd never lie to us, though, would they?
Only the first 4,000 years.
Yeah. Yeah, so the government is doing this big time, and they want to tell us anything, and they want us to accept whatever they say. That means they can control us with that, with whatever they say.
Well,
They can
that's
send us off to wars, but the horizon is always at your eye level, even if you're in a plane or on Mount Everest. That means that there is no ball because it doesn't ever go down, doesn't ever curve down.
Yes, it does. If you stand on the beach down the shore,
Yeah,
and if you could see the whole Earth,
right here. That's the ocean.
well, the ocean's on the other side of that.
No, the blue is the ocean, and this is the sky.
Yeah.
Okay.
You won't see the curvature.
No, you won't.
Yes, you will.
Where will you see it?
On both ends of the ocean. It's very slight, but it's there.
Well, there's a formula. It's 24,901 equator that goes around.
Yeah.
Okay, so there has to be a geometric equation for that.
Oh, I'm sure there is.
Okay, so here it is. It's 8 inches times the miles squared. That's your parabola. Okay, that's the curve.
But it is there.
Okay, so you have Chicago across 60 miles of Lake Michigan.
Yeah.
Where's the curve? It's not there. That should be
I
down.
don't believe
That should be down 2,400 feet.
I don't believe when I see the horizon, I'm looking at 60 miles. It's probably more like 20 miles. And it's 20 miles.
No, this
altogether.
was one shore of Lake Michigan over to the other Chicago.
I'm not
We have
gonna argue with
high-powered zoom camera. No, you can look at that and you can decide later.
Okay.
Or you don't have to. It's up to you. But
No,
I'm going to give you the
understandable.
information.
All right.
How's that?
That's fine. You have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Hey, your husband's over there making more money than you made all day.
Well, that's all he done today. That's all he done. It takes a village to raise the baby. Why don't we sit down as a people, find out what we have to Exactly. We always put up there. If I get mad at somebody, come on. Get up. Go back next time. They know how I am. You know, one day I like you, next day I don't. Was I ever asked you today? But see, that's, you know, it's accepted. You know, I don't go bash. I'm not sure. I'll get over it. In my face, I'll get over it and we'll be done. We can jump again. Yeah, but you have the right to also control it. Because if you don't control it, then you're out of order. Yep. So you are taking yourself in a situation to please you. You know, a lot of people don't. They just want to stand there and just, Sure. Because you're what you do. You're what you do, but not what you do.
The only thing I like about that is that's your
You have the right to express it and respect others. You know, but they have no compassion. don't, that they're totally, this technology. Yeah, cell phones still not work. And they don't have paper. So they're, you know, and it's not that I promise you you'll be okay. So they cut the air supply off, they'll be done work. But right now, you're cool. I guarantee you will walk over to the restaurant or over there to the office. I guarantee you will. But it's a... No! I'm the oldest. I raised enough kids in my life. I've changed enough diapers. But they walk. You know,
Go!
Ah, less than an hour to go. Right, they said 1 o'clock, right?
Yeah. I started.
Yeah,
It takes me a long time to pack. So.
yeah.
What are you doing?
What do you mean, Charlie?
You said you were going to start packing?
I am.
You're not packing.
I picked up 2 things of sweetgrass jam. I'm out of here. I got to
I
go.
like the new idea.
Okay. Okay.
I like the new idea.
Yeah, with the barber. Oh, yeah. That's right down now. Yeah. I'll be that's because I needed a primitive solution for a modern problem, my sledgehammer. Send it to him. Send it to him. And they're working on the road.
No, they need a bigger sign.
Yeah.
Well, we already talked about that. We got the latest Mitsubishi advertising, we're gonna have 2 big signs for the business and up there, big signs.
Yeah.
Do it a Saturday when we draw the crowd from there.
And have a sign there maybe for a week or 2 weeks
Yeah.
beforehand so people
Yep.
drive by and see it every day.
There's one on the fire company billboard flashed up, but you don't catch the flash. So they have
Well, that's what I told you
Yeah,
that flash.
and you know what? People driving through all the time don't really look at that.
You're right.
I know I don't. I don't.
Give
I
me,
drive right by it. I won't
give me
even
the benefit of the doubt. It's the first time I set one
Well,
of these up.
no, that's what I'm saying.
This-
We
I
learned
appreciate you guys coming out now. We learn what we need to do better.
Well, see, the thing of it is you listen to everybody
We're gonna give
else.
her punching bags.
You have to listen to the vendors. The vendors will tell you how to get the show organized. And, you know, by
Put on
listening
the
to everybody's
billboard,
advice.
flat earth theory.
It's not a theory, it's a fact.
She kept telling me I eat too much jello. We'll have a jello pit out there.
You will believe!
And you can add to the the farmer's market by having a bikini car wash.
Let's get him with these naked girls again. What's going on?
I don't know. He even gave me that coat to fix.
He would have been bad if he let you say your opinion. That's where he aggravated me.
What's that?
That guy can hold these papers out and never let you talk.
I know, he never let me answer anything.
Papers, that he should have took yours.
He never did.
That's
No,
why
you know what
was-
he was? One of these, I know everything, and not giving somebody the opportunity
Yeah.
to say their stuff in a peaceful manner. She's protected by the First Amendment of the Constitution.
Yep.
She can sit there and say, you know, the fire company had big green balls. You know, she can stay there with her signs, whatever else. Don't she do your
That's right.
That's all that matters. They're protected by your First Amendment. I'm going to back up.
You are.
Yeah.
We heard that before.
I know. I know. I say anything. I just get lost. Just a lost
You
soul.
didn't get lost. You've been lost.
Ah.
But you weren't supposed to tell it to everybody. You weren't supposed to broadcast that.
Oh.
Next time for Super Bowl,
That was a secret.
you cussing him out.
Now it's out of the back.
I was at a wedding where you only look like you're like a month. I'm like, no, I'm super.
No, my secrets. Broadcasted my secrets. What I do to you? I thought you were my friend.
It's
No
not
more
bad.
orange in my car.
Everybody comes in and that gets
Yeah.
small.
No more orange in my car. Done.
I already put a list of how many people are allowed in my room at the hospital.